So in a previous video, we showed you how to use stacked cubes to make negative space. Now that we know how to draw rectangles, we're going to take a different approach to this. So if we take a look here, we can just build our first rectangle sticking to the same scale, up 1 over 2 to each side, then up 2, 4, and 6. So we're going to do the same thing on this side, 2, 4, and 6. We're going to build our top. Again, sticking to that same slope. And we can see we have that rectangle that represents this tower. I'm going to use another rectangle going to the right, so I can come here from the bottom, go 2 and 4. I know I'm going to have my 2, 4, 6 here because that's my length. I'm going to come down 2, I can come over 2, and again, I'm going to build my top right there. So you can see I've started to do that U shape by using rectangles now. Here we can see I kind of made that L-shaped rectangle. I'm going to drop my line down here and up 1 over 2. So I have that U shape. Now, realistically, I would eliminate some of these lines eventually to give us a nice, cleaner look. But stacking those rectangles there, I have that U shape, and I can do the same thing going to the left side. So I'm going to go here, up 1 over 2 twice for that length of 4, 2, 4, 6. Again, down 1 over 2, up 1 over 2 to the right, and we're just going to form that top right here. I can go down 4, up 1 over 2 to the left, bring my line down, and then up 1 over 2 to the right. And again, I can erase this as well here. So we can see that same part that we drew segmenting in cubes. Now, by taking the approach of using those stackable rectangles like we've been practicing, we're able to create a shape that looks a little bit more realistic and without those lines and easier to see, especially when we add shading.